Ever built a circuit, and suddenly your resistor started smoking, flushed face? Yet it happens more often than you think. Today we'll break down what a resistor actually does, why it burns, and how you can avoid the super common mistake. A resistor is basically the traffic controller of electricity. It keeps current from going wild in your circuit. Higher resistance means less current flow, simple but extremely important. Think of electricity like water in a pipe. If the pipe gets narrower, less water flows. That's exactly what a resistor does, it limits the flow of current. There's a famous rule in electronics called Ohm's law. Voltage equals current times resistance. So when resistance goes up, current goes down, assuming voltage stays the same. This one formula explains a lot of circuit behavior. Here's where many people mess up: the power rating. You'll see resistors labeled quarter watt, half watt, 1 watt, and so on. That's basically how much heat the resistor can safely handle. When too much current flows, the resistor heats up. Too much heat, and boom, failure. Sometimes smoke, sometimes smell, sometimes total burnout. Short pause for effect. Resistors convert electrical energy into heat. If that heat exceeds their limit, the internal material degrades. And that's when the resistor either changes value or completely fails. 3 quick tips. Always calculate your circuit first. Choose a resistor with enough power rating, higher is usually safer. And double check your wiring to avoid short circuits. So remember, resistors control current. But exceeding their power rating causes overheating and failure. Simple calculations can save your components. If you've ever burned a resistor, let me know in the comments. Smiling face with open mouth and smiling eyes. Hit like if this helped. And subscribe if you want more practical electronics explained simply. Next video might be capacitors, and yes, they can explode too. Devil face, high voltage sign.